Morning everybody, join us down here at Ravenfield Ponds again. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. It's 27th of May 2025 and we're fishing on Bridge Pond. As you can see, it's very overcast today. We've got a lot of showers forecast. So we've just come for a few hours fishing with a really simple setup. We've got my umbrella in case it rains. All we've got, the little Shakespeare stool, some 2mm pellets, my flask, my rucksack, and look at that baby, my little 36-inch dock runner, and we're going to see if we can get some carp on it. So let's get set up. Rope method feeder, it's not going to cast very far, so we've come on to peg 1 on bridge, but it's only a short distance, so we're just going to drop it in over there and see how we get on. There's nobody else fishing today either, I can't believe it. Let's see if we can get some fish on bank for us. Just got casting over there. Love that bit of stonework. Got camera popped up on top of my bag. A little bit of a breeze. Like I said, there's some showers forecast. Here we go. We're into his first fish. Hey, a little dock runner. Let's get down here so you can see. Look at that baby. Huh? Oh wow, that's so much fun. It's a small common to start session off. Millions in the net. Look at that, eh? Fantastic. Just put rod down a sec. Keep still. Just look at that. That lovely common. Beautiful fish. On that little dock runner. Get in there. Let's get him back. And away. Well, can't go more like that, can we? First fish at day. Well, let's get it loaded back up. Get it back out there. Like I said, there's no skill involved with casting, because it's not accurate. All we're doing is lobbing it out there best we can, and let it phase that little rod one bit. The beauty of this little rod, the beauty of it is you can take it anywhere. It's so small, unbelievable. Just look at that. What a setup. Like I say, just lob it out there. There we go. Sink line best we can. Get it back on rest. Get a line off. Shut doors there. And there we go. Back fishing. Well, how much fun was that? I hope you could see everything. What a great little rod. Start your kids off fishing on it. So easy, this little setup. Little stool. If weather's nice, you don't even need brolly. I fetched my brolly because I know it was going to rain. A little stool, a little rucksack, and a rod what you can sling anywhere. And all we've got is method feeder on end of it and some micros. Easy fishing. All about having fun. Look at that. Bloody lovely, innit? All lake to me, son. Absolutely fantastic. So I've just got my phone popped up on there. I'm trying to do a bit of filming for you. I ain't got no fancy equipment. Start having a bit of fun, trying to catch some fish while we're doing it. Here we go again, folks. Another small fish, this. Isn't it? Lovely. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah. A lovely little roach. Yeah. Wow. Get that on top. Show. It's at camera. Look at this little beauty. Yeah? Just look at that. How lovely is that? Yeah? Beautiful. Let's get him back. Well, the little fella. And away. Great stuff. Oh. That was wonderful. I wasn't expecting that. It should start to rain again, folks, so I'm just repositioning where I am. I think putting my camera under the valley. Hopefully I'll get a good view from there. Oh, got a fish on. Feels like an Anderson. Get down here so you can see. Look at this little rod. Oh, look at that. Brilliant, isn't it? It's a lovely mother. I hope we can run this. Come on. Oh, fantastic players. Throw that little rod down here. Let's get him unhooked. Look at that little dog runner there. Beautiful. Let's get him unhooked first. To the other side. I want to show you better from this side. Show you this lovely fish. Here's a second. See if we can. Just look at that. Just look at that fish. Beautiful. Beautiful mirror. And down here, Ravenfield Ponds. On that little dock runner. What a fish. That's what we're after today. Beautiful. Let's get him back. Oh, just rest him a sec. Go on, fella. And away. Now that was absolutely fantastic. Oh. And that little dock runner. Look at that. Little 36-inch rod. I'm going to leave it there. I want to thank you for watching again. And joining me down here at Ravenfield Ponds. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on bank again soon. Cheers folks. Have a great day.